How to bypass OPPO F21 Pro FRP Google account lock remove easily. Select language English. Next. Select region United States. Continue. Next. I will connect the Wi-Fi to the device. Next. 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 Can use device? Next. I don't know the phone locked. Cancel. I don't know the email or phone. Press the break button. Hold volume up and down, then turn on talkback shortcut. Turn on. Hold volume up and down again to turn on the talkback shortcut. Will bring welcome to talkback. I will write L on the screen. Talkback settings, double tap on it. Braille keyboard, double tap on it. Set up Braille keyboard, double tap on it. Settings, double tap on it. We'll turn on talkback Braille keyboard. Press the break button, double tap on it. Close, double tap on it. Close, double tap on it. Hold volume up and down again to talkback. Will be closed. Select language English. Next. Select region United States. Continue. Next. Add network. Make icon. Don't allow. No permission to enable voice typing. Press the break button. Add network. Keyboard icon. Talkback Braille keyboard. Turn on in accessibility settings. General. Accessibility menu. Setting icon. Help in Facebook. Control your Android device with switch access. YouTube. Man icon. Settings. About. YouTube terms of service. Accept and continue. No thanks. Next keyboard. Type for file/bypass. Bypass Google account FRP, lock all file here. Open setting app. About device. Android version 12. Press the back button. System settings. Backup and reset. Reset phone. Erase all data. Erase data. Erase data.